In this video, we have been given that AB is 8 and AC and BC are integers. Then we have to find radius of the circle. So, suppose BC is A and AC is B. Then AC and BC are integers. That means A and B, they should be integers. And also AC, it should be greater than BC. That means B, it should be greater than A. And now in triangle ABC, we have angle ABC is 90 degree. So AC square, it will be equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. And AC is B square, it is equal to AB is 8 square plus BC is A square, and B square minus A square, it will be 8 square, and B square minus A square, it is equal to 64, and B square minus A square, it is B plus A times B minus A, it is 64. And we know that A and B, they are integer. That means B plus A and B minus A, they will be also integer. And B plus A, it should be positive, and we know that B is greater than A. That means B minus A, it should be also positive. So B plus A and B minus A, they are integers. And 64 is a product of two positive integer. It is 1 times 64, 2 times 32, 4 times 16, 8 times 8, and 16 times 4, 32 times 2, and 64 times 1. And also we know that A and B, they are length, that should be positive. So B plus A, it should be greater than B minus A. So B plus A is 1 and B minus A is 64 is not possible. And by the same way, 2 and 32 is not possible. 4 and 16 is not possible. And also B plus A is 8 and B minus A is 8 is not possible. So it can be 16 4, 32 2 and 64 1. And now if we add b plus a and b minus a, then a will get cancelled and it will be 2b, that is even. And 16 plus 4 is 20, that is even. 32 plus 2 is 34, that is even. But 64 plus 1 is 65, that is odd. So it is not possible. So we have two possible cases, 16 and 4 and 32 and 2. So b plus a, it can be 16, and b minus a, it can be 4. And second case, b plus a, it can be 32, and b minus a, it can be 2. And from here, if we add b plus a and b minus a, then it will be 16 plus 4. And a will get cancelled. So b plus b, it is 20, and 2b is 20, so b will be 10. And we have b plus a is 16, so a will be 16 minus b, that will be 16 minus 10, and it is 6. And here, if we add b plus a and b minus a, then it will be 32 plus 2, and a will get cancelled, so 2b, it is 34, and b, it will be 34 over 2, that will be 17, and we have b plus a is 32, so a, it will be 32 minus b, that will be 32 minus 17, so we get a is 15. And from here, we get a is 6 and b is 10. We get a is 6 and b is 10. And in the second case, we get a is 15 and b is 17. We get a is 15 and b is 17. So there can be two possible triangles ABC. In first triangle, AB is 8, BC is A, that is 6, and AC is B, that is 10. And in second triangle, ABC, AB is 8, BC is A, that is 15, and AC is B, that is 17. And in any right angle triangle, ABC, if AB is A, BC is B, and AC is C, and suppose radius of in circle is R, and suppose this point is D, this point is E, and center of the circle is O, then we know that in any circle, radius and tangent, they are perpendicular to each other. So these angles, they will be 90 degree, and in OE, BD, OE, it is equal to OD, that is radius, and these three angles are 90 degree. So this angle, it will be also 90 degree. That means it will be a square. So BD, it will be also R, and BE, it will be also R. So AE, it will be A minus R, and CD, it will be B minus R. And now, in any circle, from any point P, if we make two tangent to the circle, suppose this point is A and this point is B, then PA, it will be equal to PB. And suppose this point is M, then AE, it will be equal to AM. So AM, it will be A minus R. And from point C, CD, it will be equal to CM. So CM, it will be B minus R. And we have AC is AM plus CM, and AC is C, it is equal to AM is A minus R plus CM is B minus R. So C, it is A plus B minus 2R, and 2R, it is A plus B minus C. So R, it will be A plus B minus C over 2. So in this triangle, radius of incircle R, it will be 8 plus 6 minus 10 over 2, and it is 14 minus 10 over 2. That will be 4 over 2, and it is 2. And in this triangle, radius of incircle R, it will be 8 plus 15 minus 17 over 2, and it is 23 minus 17 over 2, and it is 6 over 2, that will be 3. So we get radius is 2 and 3. Radius, it can be 2 and 3.